So friends, there's a true story behind how I made my Mi Air Purifier portable. So if you are with me and you want to watch this story, then let's begin. Story begins in this hall. This is around a 750 square feet drawing and dining combined. I have 7 doors here. So one is for the main door exit, then I have one for store, one for kitchen, 2 for balconies, and there are 2 other openings in the passage for the bedrooms. The biggest problem I was facing is that I don't need one Mi Air Purifier for such a big area, but actually 2. So I already own 2 Mi Air Purifiers, one in my daughter's bedroom here. Second Mi Air Purifier I am using in my other bedroom. So in both the bedrooms, the Mi Air Purifier were being used at night and not during the day. My all family members also use mostly the drawing dining room during the daytime, and at the night is only the time when the bedrooms are used. So I had to use both these Mi Air Purifiers in the drawing cum dining room that I have, so I can save some money because each of them cost 9,000 bucks each, right? So I can save 18,000 rupees if I somehow use both of them during the daytime. I tried a lot of things, guys. First of all, I carried each one of them on a daily basis from my bedroom all the way to my living room, and the second one I carried from the other bedroom all the way to the dining room. Now this was a daily ritual and it is very taxing because these are not lightweight. They weigh around 4.5 to 4.8 kg each, and carrying them every time is a pain in the neck. So let's see the next thing I tried. So I tried using a portable shopping trolley that I had. So what I did, this is just like a prank. So I got the Mi Air Purifier in one of the shopping trolley. Then I could easily go ahead and take it to the place I want. Now there was a problem. First of all, the shopping trolley is not cheap. This is around 2,000 bucks. It looks very ugly. So if you look at the shopping trolley with the Mi Air Purifier, it does not look nice. And then again, I have to pick up the air purifier from the trolley and keep it on the floor, or I just keep it in the trolley. So I still need 1 or 2 trolleys, and then again this was not the perfect solution. So then I thought, why not use gas cylinder trolley for the Mi Air Purifier? See what happened. First of all, as you can see, the trolley of the gas cylinder is round, is not a square shape. So whereas the Mi Air Purifier is square in shape is totally wrong, and then if I try to move it, it's not easy to move. The balance is not maintained and it will try to fall. So this solution did not work out at all. Friends, I was desperate. I wanted something to make this portable, save my 18,000 bucks on 2 air purifiers and get the things going. I had almost given up and I thought that we can't do anything about it. My wife suggested one thing that she found online. Those were her exact words. Manu, I think I found something. Come and have a look at this. So I looked at the listing. It was a listing of 20-liter oil tin trolley and it had wheels below them. So I was excited. I thought that maybe we had found the eureka moment and maybe this oil tin can trolley is the one we were looking for. So I went ahead and looked at the dimensions, and the dimensions were 25 by 25 centimeter. Now if I look at the dimensions of Mi Air Purifier 2 or 2S, both have the same dimensions. It was a perfect square of 24 by 24 centimeter, and the Mi Air Purifier is little raised as well. So there was some gap. So I thought the oil tin trolley is 25 by 25 centimeters. So this could actually go ahead and fit perfectly. I could not find it in the market near my place. So I went ahead and ordered it online. It costed me less than 400 bucks, including the shipping charges. And then I got the trolley finally. So this was the trolley that I got online, and it is a 25 by 25 centimeter and it is little curved at ends. So that was not a concern because Mi Air Purifier is also curved at ends. It also has these wheels and it is made of ABS plastic. It is corrosion free. It also is quite sturdy, quite strong, and is built to actually take around 18 kgs of oil tin can. So that's 20 liters, and if you convert the liters into kg, it will come to around 18 kgs. And whereas the Mi Air Purifier is less than 5 kg in weight. And I'm going to take the Mi Air Purifier and show you how it fits inside it. This is the Mi Air Purifier and it actually fits absolutely correct. So if I show you on all the sides, there's not much of a gap perfect around here. So on the floor, and if I try to move it, there is no problem in moving it. I can go ahead and move it anywhere I like. So now I had the perfect solution of shifting the Mi Air Purifier from one room to another and actually save the money because I had bought these trolleys and I bought 2 of them. So this is an humble appeal to Xiaomi that have made some remarkable products. This is a great product that you have here, the Mi Air Purifier 2 or the 2S. Both are fantastic. The only thing missing is the portability. Look at the portable cooler that I have here. Now this also has wheels, already built for it so that I can slide it easily. I didn't have to buy anything off the market for it to slide. So now Xiaomi can go ahead and make some sort of official accessory for Mi Air Purifier that can go ahead and fit for the existing Mi Air Purifiers, where the newer models can have an integrated solution which the wheels can smartly go inside the body when not in use and they can come out. So if Xiaomi can do this, this will be the best thing that they could do for the air purifiers. Friends, I've been using this solution for around 6 months. It works perfectly. Now the Mi Air Purifier is portable and I can move it from one room to another. It's also easy for cleaning, so if any cleaning is required, I just need to push it a little here and the cleaning can be done. Thank you for watching my video, and guys, this is the first time that this solution is being presented for Mi Air Purifier, not only on YouTube but on internet. I would request you guys to share this with many people so that all of them can benefit and save some money. Rather than buying new air purifiers, they can actually use the ones they have by using this trolley.